the matter?
And she volunteers to go to the morgue every day because she says to the judge, I'm so serious about taking the sentence seriously this time. I'm not just going to go to the morgue when you tell me for my community service. I'm going to go every day. And the first day, she's late. And the dude who works at the morgue doesn't even let her in. Do you know how bad that is when the morgue dude who's probably getting minimum wage is like, we're full up, Lindsay. Turn around, go back to shopping. But there's something just funny about Lindsay being late for dead people. Like the concept that there's a dead person with a watch going, hello, I'm going to dock you. And then she went the next day, though, and she was on time. And you know what she brought them? Yeah, cupcakes. That's funny. She brought a bunch of dead people cupcakes. Everything's going to be fine.
Are you all mad at each other or something? What's the matter? What's the matter? Bubba, what's wrong? What are y'all fighting about? Huh, Itchy? What's the matter? What are y'all fighting about? Kiss and make up. Kiss and make up, okay? Gonna kiss and make up? Y'all so pretty on that rug. Kiss and make up. Kiss and make up. Bubblicious. Itchy, itchy. Are y'all not mad anymore? Are y'all